great honor to be standing in front of you all. Our school days were pretty exciting and challenging for me. It seems like only yesterday that I was playing with my toys. I started to write and color with my small hands. I learned to read and add too. I would like to thank you to my classmates who gave me company and friendship. Thank you also to my teachers for always being there to teach us. Thank you, my dear alma mater, AFIL, for providing excellence and holistic education. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet too. That's the colors of the rainbow. You need both the sun and the rain to make the colors appear. May these quotes inspire us to work hard as we continue our journey. Don't turn around, don't look back, keep moving forward, keep pushing, because the path of gold is at the end of the rainbow. That's all. Thank you. Mabuhay!
Thank you so much, Sky Snow, for that wonderful speech. Indeed, no turning back, just keep moving forward.